Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Make sure you're subscribed and hit the bell icon to get notifications. Today we are making Eid special Palak Gosht. The ingredients you will need is 1.5 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon allspice powder and 1 teaspoon zeera powder, 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of zeera and 2 black cardamom, 2 teaspoon coriander powder, salt to taste, 1 medium sliced onion, 2 pounds of mutton, and lastly fresh spinach 3 pound. In a pan we're going to add our mutton, add the onions and ginger garlic paste, we're going to also add the spices. I'm adding the turmeric and the red chili powder, add the salt, coriander powder, zeera powder, and we're going to add 1 cup of water and allow everything to cook. We're going to cook everything with the lid on until the water has dried for about 10 minutes. In the meantime, I'm going to start cutting my spinach. After about 10 minutes, we're going to add 2 chopped tomatoes and 2 tablespoons of green chili. We're going to allow this to cook until the tomatoes are soft. Now I'm going to add half a cup of oil and we're going to continuously stir. Now I'm going to add the remaining spices. Make sure you give everything a good mix. Now we're going to add our spinach and combine it with the mutton. We're going to cook the spinach for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. I'm also adding 1 cup of water and we're going to allow this to cook. Once the water has been dried out, we're going to add our allspice powder and the spinach should be ready to serve. This recipe is quite simple to make and I'm sure you guys are going to enjoy it. If you like this recipe, make sure to give this video a like, thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel.